Hello everybody. In this video, I'm just going to talk briefly about shopping around for your wood. So this piece here is very nice. It's already been milled. I ran it through my planer just for fun a couple weeks ago because I just got into hardwoods about a month ago. It came out beautifully on my DeWalt planer, but it was already milled pretty well. Like I said, it was just an opportunity for me to play around with some wood. So I just took a tiny bit off. This piece here was about $40. Okay, that was from a local store, a local box store. It's very nice, very beautiful. Square, no issues with it. I was able to go to the store and select it myself. This one here, I got from Bell Forest. Again, very nice. Little difference in color here. They're both walnut. I don't know for sure versus what type of walnut, but the pricing was very nice from Bell Forest. I enjoyed shopping at Bell Forest. It was a nice experience. You can select your own wood online, which was very advantageous to me. But yesterday I happened to go to what we call the Restore in our town. It's a place where people can make donations to support Habitat for Humanity. And so this guy here, which is about 6 inches wide, and this is almost 6 as well, but this one is definitely 6 inches wide here. It is almost 8 feet tall, so 7.5 feet tall. I got this for $22. Okay, now it has to be milled. There's some issues with it. I suspect this is water stain or something like that, but it is dry. I mean, it is dry. It was dry in the store. It's about 30 degrees in my garage in Minnesota right now, but we don't have any snow or anything yet. I mean, I'll mill it, right? I'll just clean it up either with the sander or planer, just a little bit rougher than these pieces here. But $22, I can't beat that. Now they sell it as linear foot, okay, versus board feet. So those are different calculations, but I worked it out. This was about $14 for me, and look how much wood you get. Now I'm not saying that it's expensive elsewhere, but this was a donation. Somebody donated this unmilled. I mean, I think it has some straight edges. So it's not so much that. My point here is something I tell my students in class: opportunity cost benefit analysis. I could go back to the box store and get a nice big board that's already been kind of cleaned up a bit. I could go to Bell Forest. Absolutely, I have great experiences with both areas. But when opportunity knocks, you don't kick a gift horse in the mouth. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go back to that Restore, and I'm going to buy everything they have, all that walnut that they have. They've got 5 or 6 boards left, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Because I might not need them right now. In fact, I won't need them right now. I won't have time to plane them right now because it's only 30 degrees outside, and it's not going to get much higher than that in Minnesota this time of the year. So my planer won't be in best fit, form, and function here today. But I can't pass this up. Like, this was $14. Yes, it was milled. Yes, it's high quality. This was $22. So, $8 more. $8 more, and I get all this wood. Okay, it's got like a kind of a live edge to it a little bit, and some of the boards at that store have a little bit of live edge to them. So, this is a great opportunity. So always look around. If you've watched my other videos, you know I've been looking for pallets. You know I've been making these American flags for our local police officers, firefighters, EMTs, medical staff, etc. This is an opportunity for me to get some walnut at a really good price. So shop around. You never know. I mean, I was going in that store to look for some trim boards because we had a fire last summer, and I need to put some trim boards together, some hickory or some oak, that light colored oak to match our hickory boards. And I was like, I can't believe this. Now, because I'm new to hardwoods, I didn't know how to calculate whether I was getting a deal or not. And yeah, I mean, just by comparing the pricing on these two, this is a really good deal. Now, will this last forever? No. I've got to go back there today and pick that up ASAP. So that's what I'm going to do. Have a great day.